An excellent set of bookshelf speakers will enhance your listening experience with a wider stereo image and a more vibrant sound than what you get from a TV, laptop, or the average connected speaker. Whether you're enjoying the lossless tier of a streaming service or admiring sleeve art as an LP revolves on your turntable, higher fidelity is often accompanied by an appreciation for upgrading your system. Regardless of the source, properly positioned home stereo speakers present audio with a true soundstage, the original immersive audio. Here are some of the best bookshelf speakers to deliver a rich response for any budget. Number 1. KEF LS50 Meta. KEF speakers stand out with the impeccable sound that audiophiles revere just as well as they stand out in appearance. KEF speakers, particularly 2012's LS50, have dazzled audiophiles for years, but the updated LS50 Meta two-way bass reflex speakers take the stunning clarity of sound to an even higher level. A new 12th generation UniQ driver embeds the 1-inch tweeter within the 5.25-inch woofer, giving the LS50 Meta, $1,499 a pair, a stark, single-cone look and stunning off-axis response. New, proprietary metamaterial absorption technology, MET, is integrated behind the driver to reduce distortion. The result is a beautiful design and an even more satisfying sound. These hi-fi speakers deliver a frequency response of 47 Hz to 45 kHz and a maximum output of 106 dB from a relatively compact enclosure of 11.89 inches, height, by 7.87 inches, wide, by 10.94 inches, depth. Number 2. Audio Engine A2 Plus Wireless. The Austin, Texas-based Audio Engine manufactures many of its speakers' own components, such as woofers and tweeters, and its commitment to affordable, quality sound has made its speakers favorites since its founding in 2005. Audio Engine combines a non-intrusive footprint of 6 inches by 4 inches by 5.25 inches with versatile connectivity and crisp sound in the A2 Plus wireless-powered speakers for bookshelves and desktops. This small set, $269 a pair, utilizes 3/4-inch silk dome tweeters and 2.75-inch air mid-fiber woofers, with a 60 watts peak power total, max output of 88 decibels, and a frequency response of 65 Hz to 22 kHz. There are analog RCA and mini jack connections, as well as USB for computer audio. But the juice comes from Bluetooth 5.0 for compatibility with high-quality audio streaming codecs like Apsh HD for Android users, up to 570 kilobits per second, and AAC for iOS users, up to 256 kilobits per second, with no additional loss from conversion. Number 3. PreSonus Era-C 4.5. Small studio musicians, producers, and DJs all love the PreSonus Era-C 4.5 powered monitors for their accurate, reference-level sound coming from compact speakers that merge studio monitor and bookshelf speaker attributes. The Era-C 4.5, $200 a pair, has both bare speaker wire inputs, RCA inputs, and balanced 1/4-inch inputs, plus a front-facing power switch, volume control, headphone jack, and aux input. Its 4.5-inch, woven composite woofer and 1-inch silk dome tweeter pump out a maximum volume of an even 100 decibels with a frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz. The 9.45 inches by 6.42 inches by 7.09 inches monitors also come in a Bluetooth-equipped model for $30 more, but if you have a little extra space and don't need the front panel features, check out options such as the Pioneer DJ-VM50 studio monitors if you're building a more traditional workstation listening post. Number 4. Tivoli Audio Model 1 Digital, General 2. This is cheating a little since we've talked stereo up so much, but maybe your favorite things to listen to are the radio, or podcasts, or other content that doesn't necessarily need the separation. The DNA of the Tivoli Audio Model 1 Digital, General 2, traces back to 2005 and a mid-century styled tabletop receiver. However, the latest permutation of that analog original adds AirPlay 2 and Google Chromecast to increase connectivity and clarity for audiophiles, and others, who have embraced streaming. The Tivoli Audio Model 1 Digital, General 2, which we thoroughly reviewed, can still pick up DAB/FM radio broadcasts, but it can also present anything your smartphone throws at it with a rich, detailed response. Admittedly, this speaker differs from the rest because it's mono and won't have anywhere near as expansive a presentation as others in this roundup. But not every bookshelf is a big bookshelf, and sometimes you want a convenient concert for one in the living room, kitchen, etc. Number 5. Edifier R1280T. In a word, price, this set lets you can enjoy every note for around a C note. While there are even lower-priced bookshelf speakers, The compact and attractive wood veneer edifier R1280T delivers a surprisingly warm and balanced sound for just over $100, so that music lovers on any budget can enjoy a step up in sound. These powered speakers take up only 9.5 inches by 6.9 inches by 5.8 inches of space and come with cables for the two aux inputs, a remote control, and removable cloth grills. The maximum output is 96 decibels with a frequency range of 75 Hz to 18 kHz coming from the 4-inch woofer and 13 mm, roughly a half-inch, silk dome tweeter. For only a few dollars more, you can score the R1280TS with subwoofer output to boost that bass. And for a few hundred more, you can pick up the Edifier S1000W, some of our favorite powered workstation-friendly speakers, which for $449 is no longer budget, per se, but is still a bargain considering the performance price it delivers.